From pollution to prosperity, revolutionizing infrastructure for economic and ecological sustainability in Northwest India. Prepared for Praveen Nayak, the garbageologist from the Garbage Clinic. Presented by J. Garrett Smith, PE, Chief Technology Officer, Concentric Industries. This is 5x5 for Bharat. 5 challenges transformed into 5 advantages. Presented exclusively by Concentric Industries, the only company on Earth today who can offer this holistic resolution. Concentric DAO, a decentralized autonomous organization, brings the most holistic and pure arsenal of clean tech solutions in world history. The main objective, leveraging profits from zero emissions coal and waste conversion to fund infrastructure development. The core result, a cleaner and more sustainable Northwest Bharat. The 5 challenges are tabulated in the facets of waste. 1. Organic, sewerage and septage, wastewater. 2. Agricultural, woody prunings, livestock manures, and food processing waste. 3. Plastic, petrochemical, and vulcanized rubber. 4. Electronic, earth metals, and batteries. And 5. The sleeper, the X factor, is airborne waste, acid rain, and smog. Then there's the 5 advantages, the manifold of Concentric. First, organic, Camilla omnivorous, converting sewage and garbage, all pollution-free. 2, agricultural, Oros, the Stewart Smith livestock manure conversion system, and Sylvan Xylem for woody biomass and energy crops. 3, for plastics, again, Camilla omnivorous, including sewage and garbage, and Atlas, our scrap tire pyrolysis. 4, electronic, again, Camilla comes in. It's omnivorous. It'll consume sewage and garbage with no pollution, converting to valuable byproducts. And 5, airborne, the Helix Coal Zero process and Bushnell thermodynamic, using any fuel, solid or liquid, coupled with photosynthetic regeneration, not just CO2 sequestration, but conversion into valuable products. No waste wasted. So for the overture, the introduction, sustainable waste management and clean energy are vital to true prosperity in Punjab and Northwest Bharat. Only Concentric brings the necessary complete array of resource stewardship and waste transforming technologies that Bharat needs now. Concentric DAO's technological solutions, all with zero emissions. Sewage treatment, advanced methods for converting sewage into clean water and usable byproducts. Agricultural waste conversion, Stewart Smith for livestock manures and Sylvan Xylem for lignans. Garbage conversion systems for converting general waste into energy or other valuable resources. And zero emissions coal conversion is especially important to Northwest India. Helix, 100% sequestration and high efficiency utilization of the ubiquitous fuel. Ingenious solutions, all with zero emissions. Organic, sewage treatment, advanced methods for converting sewage into clean water and usable byproducts. There is a way, and it's way better. Agricultural waste conversion using the Stewart Smith methods for livestock manures, and in the case of Northwest India, the ubiquitous Marah buffalo. Ingenious solutions, all with zero emissions. Agricultural waste conversion, Sylvan Xylem for lignans, trees, energy crops, prunings, Sylvan Xylem by Concentric. Complete plastics recycling, innovative approaches to recycling plastics into reusable materials or energy. Kamiya, there is a way, and it's way better. Scrap tire recycling, both passenger and OTR off-the-road tires. Innovative approaches to recycling vulcanized rubber and plastics into reusable materials or energy. TDF, tire-derived fuel. Our Atlas doesn't shrug. All of our garbage conversion systems convert general waste, municipal solid waste, and refuse-derived fuel into energy or other valuable resources with no pollution. All flue gases are captured and harnessed in a photosynthetic regeneration for usable byproducts, turning liabilities into profits. The Helix Coal Zero process changes everything. Zero emissions coal conversion includes sequestration and high efficiency utilization of this ubiquitous fuel, simultaneously cleaner and more profitable. That's right, no stacks in our coal gasification, integrated combined cycle operations that simultaneously produce electricity and high-value sustainable aviation fuels utilizing the same coal input as standalone power systems. Helix Coal Zero. This changes everything. Helix Coal Zero involves the production of sustainable aviation fuels through its thermodynamic optimization and sequestration of all flue gases and utilization simultaneously of coal syngas for power generation and liquid fuel production, thermodynamically optimized to produce zero K, kerosene, abundant and low-cost zero-sulfur jet fuel. Helix Coal Zero. The overall fiscal metrics are outstanding. We're going to fine-tune this for Northwest India in a moment, but the original game plan and strategy for the SAF program is to do 750 global Helix retrofits for a $3 trillion a year application, creating electricity and liquid fuels worth $1.3 trillion a year. So an ROI of 30% to achieve SAF net zero 2050. Done with Helix Coal Zero. See, it's not only economic viability, but also financial abundance. 25 to 75% nominal return on investment from the fleet of technologies. At multi-billion-dollar scale, projected profits from Helix Coal Zero reinvested into other infrastructure projects to perpetuate the domino effect of sustained prosperity simultaneously, economically and ecologically for Northwest Bharat. Welcome to the multi-trillion-dollar play of the ages, where the economy versus ecology debate is obsolete, effective immediately, because concentric simultaneously is more profitable and cleaner. As Buckminster Fuller once said, you never change things by fighting the existing reality. To change something, build a new model that makes the existing model obsolete. Concentric industries representing the future of energy, food, air, and water for the whole world. Starting in Northwest India, for all of Asia. The applications in Punjab are axiomatic. They speak for themselves. Several of the world's most polluted cities are in India. Helix Coal Zero and the entire Concentric fleet can change that right now. You can see the list. These are just the coal projects in Punjab. Nearly 16,000 megawatts, 16 gigawatts of power generation. All tremendous opportunities for retrofits and new construction of Helix Coal Zero. Simultaneously more efficient, cleaner, and more profitable. So what of the economics? Again, the 18 gigawatts plus 3.6 billion gallons per year of sustainable aviation fuel ends up being a $72 billion capital expenditure with $24 billion in annual NOI, all with zero pollution. And don't leave out the benefits to the urban areas. Again, no waste wasted. These are unprecedented and unrivaled, comprehensive array of concentric solutions for waste optimization, integrated with advanced aquaponics systems to produce on-demand food using 95% less land and water. For these installations, a budget of $36 billion CapEx, $12 billion annual net operating income, again, zero pollution. This is the future today. And talk about ESG, this is environmental and social impact. Implementing these technologies will drastically reduce pollution, improve public health, and create thousands of jobs, fostering sustainable development and improving the quality of life for millions of people in Northwest India, especially the 28 million in Punjab, including 10 million in its cities. And what about ESG? Warriors build foundations to last. ESG stands for environment, social, and governance. It's a framework used by investors to evaluate a company's sustainability and ethical impact. ESG performance is only now being coined by the mainstream, and yet it is so vital that Concentric had the prescience to invest the last 3 decades, setting the bar at unprecedented heights. No company with Concentric's global ambit and import has ever existed in world history until now, because we had the moxie to build foundations for the castles. So here's the synopsis. 108 billion investment into Bharat. Net operating income, 48 billion annual profits for reinvestment back into Bharat. All provided at zero cost to India under Concentric's FCOM business construct. Engineer, finance, construct, operate, and maintain. Zero pollution. Concentric Industries, a decentralized autonomous organization representing the future of energy, food, air, and water for the whole world. With our unprecedented Swiss Army knife of 22 stewardship tech patented systems offered in a complete FCOM arrangement, Concentric Industries really is representing the future of energy, food, air, and water for the whole world. Concentric Dow, we make things better. Because sustainability is TNT squared. Thrive next time, too. Thank you, India. We look forward to serving you and improving quality of life for over 1 billion people. Concentric Industries. The future starts now.